Hi guys, welcome back to the PhD Prep Lab channel. So today's video is going to be about the internship notice that is by the Forensic Science Laboratory in New Delhi. So they have posted this notice regarding their internship that is going to be a paid internship with a fixed stipend of 30,000 rupees per month that will be given for the entire duration of the internship that is going to be for 1 year. So if you are interested in building up a career in forensic sciences. So this is a very good opportunity for you guys to take up. So let's check out what is in their official notice. So they have mentioned clearly that it is going to be only a physically accepted application form mode. This is not there is no online mode of application. You either have to submit the application by speed post or you can go to the Forensic Science Laboratory, New Delhi. The address is provided in the form itself, or you can either go there also and deliver it by your hand. So either of it can be done. No correspondence will be entertained in this regard. They have mentioned that also, and applications received from the applicant passed M.Sc from any recognized university or affiliated college, Delhi Government University, central universities located in Delhi will be entertained, and all the essential documents are needed to be furnished along with the application form. So the application form plus your all the essential documents that they have mentioned down below in the PDF itself. You have to attach it all and you have to send either via speed post or you can go there at and submit it via your hand also. The mode of selection is going to be via the interview. So this is like going to be sort of a walk-in interview, but you have to submit your application form beforehand. The scope of work is going to be like you'll be able to learn and gain experience in a lot of techniques of forensic science in different divisions of forensic sciences also. So they have given 5 divisions in which they are accepting the internships. So there are 5 divisions of forensic sciences and you can apply in either of that. So there is chemistry, biology, ballistics, cyber forensics, and physics division. There are going to be total number of 100 seats including all the divisions for different categories and different divisions. The seat breakup is mentioned. They have also mentioned the essential qualifications, so you can check it out as per your desired division, under which whether you are eligible or not. So do check that out. So basically, you require master's degree, but you according to different divisions, it will change like a master's degree in which subject they are accepting. So check that out on the PDF. The other important terms and conditions of the internship, let's have a quick look at it. So applicants shall be invited from the eligible candidates possessing requisite qualifications as prescribed in the table in their respective desire of division. All the aspirants are requested to submit the application form along with the requisite documents to the head office of Forensic Science Laboratory, Rohini, Sector 14, New Delhi. So they have given the complete address for you to send a speed post or even go there directly and submit the application form. And you have to do it before 8th of September, before 5 p.m. Okay, so make sure that you keep in mind the due date. The engagement is going to be stipend with the amount of 30,000 and no other allowances will be paid. The applicant should not be exceeding 27 years or he or she should not be below the age of 21 years also. The age relaxation is given as per the category wise. The candidates appearing for the interview should bear the cost of travel. There will be no TADA given. In case of the interview is not able to conduct it or finished in one working day, so they'll continue the interview the next day also as per the schedule. So this is in case of when a lot of applicants are there. Candidates are required to bring original documents with self-attested photocopies of degree, testimonials, other relevant documents on the day of walk-in interview. Candidates are also required to bring any identity proof along with self-attested copy of driving license either or voter card or Aadhaar card, etc. You can bring your essential documents and your ID proof. No correspondence or personal inquiries will be entertained on the telephone. The names of the candidates will be displayed on the Forensic Science Laboratory website, so you have to keep on checking. There will be no personal intimation via mail or anything that you are selected. You have to check out their website only to be sure if you are on the list or not. In the event of engagement, the candidate, okay, you have to be ready to join immediately after the selection, and just in case you are not like ready to join immediately, in case of any engagement, the candidate shall have to submit an undertaking stating that she shall not take any claim or nor file any court case for regulation of service in any court of law. And after the candidate is selected, they have to execute an engagement agreement accepting the above terms and conditions on a non-judicial stamp paper of ₹100 before the appointment of contract begins. In case of any selected candidate, he or she wishes to quit, you have to give a prior 1 month notice or surrender of 1 month remuneration when you are not able to serve the 1 month notice. And however, in exceptional cases, the head of department can anytime terminate your internship without assigning any particular reason. The intern can be posted at various divisions or FSL or mobile forensic vans at the sole direction of director and shall be required to work in a 24/7 shift manner. So this is a nice opportunity. You'll be able to work under various divisions and even mobile vans. So you'll get a good exposure in this field of forensic science. And you have to be ready. It's going to be a lot of work and 24/7 shift manner. The intern is allowed 8 casual leaves and 2 restricted holidays. Apart from it, there are no earned leaves or medical leaves in this situation during the period of internship. The number of seats can be like revised. It is tentative only, that is 100 they have mentioned. So according to need, they can revise it. And below they have mentioned the application forms. You have to download it, fill it up, paste your photo here, and fill out all your details. This is for your qualification purpose, and you have to give your contact and email ID, and you have to fill the desk, declaration form also. This is the annexure for the schedule of the interview. So different divisions have different dates for their interview schedules. So you can check it out. It's going to start from 15th of September 2025, and serially it's going to be held for different divisions. The applicants are directed to be reporting at FSL Rohini at 9:30 a.m. for the interview. The interview will be held from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. The change in the interview will be uploaded on the website. So you make sure that before the day of the interview, you check the website out for any updates or changes. So that is it for the video. I have read out all the necessary information that they have mentioned in the PDF. You can find the link for this PDF in the description box and download the form and go through it by yourself also for one more time for better clarification. And if you have any other doubts regarding this internship, so you can drop it down in the comment section. They will definitely answer it for you guys. And make sure that you follow our channel and like this video if you feel this was useful, and keep following our channel for more such updates. Thank you for watching.